Hey guys, I'm Jayden from Nucleust, and I've had a few people request that I go through my little process of how I record the vocals for our tracks. And I thought I'd take you through my modest little setup today. Well, there you have it. As you can see, I run quite a modest little setup here. A nice big cheap TLC screen, nothing special there. But my monitors, I have some KH80s, Neumanns. Perfect little monitors. They pack an awesome punch for their size, and in a small recording setup like this, you can't have big ones. You can see I'm running Pro Tools, big advocate of that. This Pro Tools will get the fuck out if you ask me, but there's a lot of people against that. Let's have a look how I actually do things. Well, there you have it. I've got a Kemper. It's not even turned on. I don't even need to use it. I'm just a vocalist. And how embarrassing. Yes, I know. A Steinberg USB interface. This is what I've been reduced to. I do usually run a Focusrite, but the band decided they wanted that for our in-ear rig that I'm going to go over in a later video for any of those nerds out there. And this gets the job done. Just don't tell anyone that I'm using it, because I'm sure the mix engineers and the rest of the band would be pretty upset if they knew this is how I was tracking my vocals. But they don't notice, so I get away with it. I also think it's worth pointing out that by no means do I endorse this interface. But what you should take away from this is that you can usually get away with just about any interface for recording. It's not a big deal. And yeah, well done. I have a PlayStation racked into my studio setup. What a loser. Yep. Wish I could say I spent as much time on that as I did my recordings, but it gathers a lot of dust, if anyone asks. I'd also like to point out that I love my Kensington trackball. This is the coolest mic ever. It takes a little while to get used to, but after a while it speeds up your workflow tenfold. She's brilliant. She's brilliant. No surprise here, I'm using the Shure SM7B. She's a brilliant mic, this one. I love it for screams. I'll track my cleans through it. It's the deafest mic ever, so you don't have to be worried about room noise or having to record in a studio, because it's a dynamic, so you're laughing. You just throw the pop filter on, get to hold it, feel good about screaming into a mic in your hand as opposed to kicking around with a condenser, which is a huge waste of time if you ask me. I just can't be bothered with that. Because it's so deaf, you barely need these, but these are ISO cans from Telefunken. They cut out the headphone bleed, you know, if you're really deafening yourself with your headphone mix. But they're barely needed with this mic. She's a great all-rounder. Into the door we go. Now you might be saying, Jayden, why the hell aren't you just screen recording? Well, I don't know how to do that. So I'm literally filming my screen. Yes, I know. When I track my vocals, I generally like to just double track everything. I find that just fills it out nicely. And by no means do I mix or master our stuff. So these tips are purely just for when you're demoing for your own sanity or listening back. And I just run my vocals through Joey Sturgis's gain reduction plugin. Now it's funny, it does quite the opposite of reduce the gain. In fact, it adds a lot to it. So it's quite good for, you know, confidence. You hear the takes back, they're nice and squished already. Because at the heart of this plugin, it's essentially just a compressor. And when I say compressor, I almost mean a limiter, because it's really brick walling with a high ratio. It's just squashing the shit out of your vocals. And I just leave it on its default setting, just load it up, throw it on, done. I don't even worry about reverb for demos, because this is a nice, quick, easy way. And that's it, friends. That's how I track vocals for Nucleust. I love talking shit, especially when it's to do with music. So if you have any questions, hit me up. We can talk for days about this stuff. Thanks for checking it out. And if you have any further video requests, let me know. I'll get onto it.